Wow, Vasa, who are you today? Are you a witch?
Yes, today I am a witch and today is Halloween.
Yeah.
Christina, do you have any dreams?
Oh, I have a dream to be a student again.
A student? Крабли, табли, бумс!
Wow! Look, I'm a student now.
Hogwarts student.
Oh, it's a real magic. Vasa, and do you have any dreams?
Yes, I have. I want many balloons right now.
All right, juicy doocy boom.
Wow! Balloons! Yeah!
Oh, that's great.
How many? Thank you, Christina.
Oh, you're welcome, Vasa.
Christina, do you have one more dream?
Oh, yes. I want to have a flower.
A flower? Okay. Крабли, бомби, бум, бум, бумс!
No, it's not a flower, Vasa.
Oh, sorry, Christina.
So I want a flower.
Крабли, бум, 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 бумс!
Now I have a real flower. Boys and girls, and do you have any dreams? Let us know.
Yes. Happy Halloween!